Let's talk about pricing page, the high intent space. You've done an amazing job guiding buyers here, but let's take a step into their shoes. From a buyer's perspective, this page can feel a little bit overwhelming. Oh, those comparison tables. So confusing, right? I feel a little bit lost here. So buyers click get pricing, but then oh gosh, a form appears. Forms can be a mood killer. Did you know about 80% of potential buyers bounce at this point? Heartbreaking, isn't it? In today's fast-paced world, immediate value is key. As consumers, we're chatting with vendors through instant messaging platforms like WhatsApp Business and Instagram. The B2B world needs to catch up. Enter Knock. Imagine a magic button where buyers can start an immediate conversation with you on Slack. And no, they don't need to be Slack users. Knock creates a private space on Slack for buyers to securely and privately chat with you. No admin permissions required, no forms, just a seamless experience. From the moment they connect, a continuous relationship can start. Buyers can easily add more coworkers to this channel, turning it into a deal room where all the conversation history is saved. Buyers can engage from anywhere: LinkedIn ads, emails, YouTube videos. Click the magic button and they're in the same Slack channel. From your perspective, when a buyer engages on Slack, you get an instant notification with all their details: company, email, role, intent, location, without them filling out a form. This is 2024 after all. Contacts are automatically qualified and directed to the right SDR. SDRs have tools to manage conversations effectively in Slack. They can reject a lead at any time, and the lead will automatically disappear from their sidebar. Want to see more? Have questions? Pick a time to meet with us and discover all the magic of Knock.